What do you see this woman doing in the picture that you see in front of you? The woman is singing and there's a concert going on. So here what did we do? We described an action that the woman was already doing. Okay, so now let's see what is in store for you in this video. Hello well-wishers, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Aspiring Minds. In today's video we are going to do adverbs and its kind. So grab your virtual seats and let's begin this English language series. Remember I began the video showing you a woman singing or a girl singing? So here is a sentence for you. The girl is singing loudly. In this sentence, what is the action that is being performed? The word sing. In its continuous tense, singing is the verb that is describing the action that the girl is performing. And how is she singing? What is the way in which it is described how she's singing? She's singing loudly. We could also use the words melodiously, sweetly to describe the song or the way the girl is singing. So this way of describing the action is known as adverbs. And do you know, you have already learned by now, just in the very beginning, what are adverbs. So now that I showed you through an example what an adverb is, let's see the definition of what an adverb is. It is a word that describes a verb or an adjective or even another adverb. You must be wondering what is an adjective? Don't worry, I have it for you over here. An adjective is a describing word. So what is the task that an adverb performs? It adds meaning. It gives more information about a verb or an adjective. Let us try to understand the definition that we just saw of an adverb with the examples. In the first image you see the boy runs fast, right? So here what is the action word? The action word is runs, right? And it is further being described. How is the boy running? We could have said the boy is running slowly or he is just running rapidly, but here the word fast has been used. So therefore the word fast becomes an example of an adverb. Similarly, in the second example, the sun shines brightly. The action word is shines, and further we are getting a description of how is the sun shining. It's shining brightly. See how often we make use of these sentences in our day-to-day life. It's not something new that you are getting to know today, but see how there is grammar hidden in every word that you utter. Now overall, you must have learnt by now what is an adverb, and I've given you a lot of examples also. Now let us have a look at the different kinds of adverbs, right? So there are overall 5 types of adverbs, and you could pause the video and make a note of how you could identify each type of adverb. This is like a simple trick, an easy hack for you, as is the trend in which people talk nowadays. So as is the easy hack over here, to identify the adverb of manner, you could question yourself about of the action. For adverb of place, you could question yourself about where is the action taking place. Adverb of time helps you to identify when is the action taking place. Adverb of frequency tells you how often does the action occur, and adverb of degree tells you how much or to what extent is the action occurring. Let us now have a look at adverb of manner. It tells you, remember, how or in what manner is something happening or an action taking place. Look at the image that you see on your screen. I can hear you clearly. I have already identified for you the adverb of manner. Here the word clearly is telling one girl about how she can hear, right? She's telling her friend that she can hear her perfectly, clearly, right? And do you know there's a simple trick that you could follow, that is for identifying the adverb of manner. Usually there could be exceptions, and there are always exceptions in grammar, but usually for adverb of manner you will see that it ends with the letters ly. Come on, let's look at another example. The old couple lived happily. I hope you remember the trick. Firstly, we see the word here ly, the word happily ending with the letters ly. So therefore we know, how did the couple live? The couple would live happily. So therefore the word happily becomes your adverb of manner. Similarly, in the second example, the teacher spoke to the students politely. I hope all your teachers in school talk to you politely, and I'm sure they do. So here the word politely is the adverb of manner. I want you all to become pro at adverb of manner. Let's look at just 2 more examples, then we'll move on to the next type. The birds were flying swiftly. These birds are indeed beautiful. Let me know in the comment section down below, what is the national bird of India? I hope you all know, so let me know that, okay? That's like a short quiz question for you. So here the word swiftly is describing how the birds were flying, so that becomes your adverb of manner. Similarly, in the second example, we see there's a girl, her name is Sheila, and she's hurrying home quickly. Perhaps now she's looking happy if you see her expression, and she's going home very quickly. Maybe it's her birthday tomorrow and she's eagerly going back home quickly because she wants to check out if any birthday gift has arrived. This is a scenario in which I am being able to interpret this image. Let me know, why do you think Sheila is hurrying home quickly? The next type is adverb of place. This is easy. It tells us where an action is taking place. So if you see there's a boy and there's a dog along with the boy, and the sentence goes like, they are looking up. Now I don't know what is the boy trying to show to the dog, but they seem to have seen a very beautiful sight in the sky, so they are looking up, and here the word up becomes adverb of place. In the second image, I don't know how many of us actually get the time to do what the man is doing. The man is resting under the tree. In this case, the word under becomes the adverb of place, because it's describing to us where exactly is the man resting. He's resting under the tree. Let me know if you've ever done this. I have never got a chance to do this, and I would really want to do this sometime. Just 2 more examples. Please bring me my bag here. You must have ordered your friend at some time in the school. You must be sitting after your tiffin time and you're waiting to, go and get your bag, and you want to show an interesting thing that you've done in your diary. So you tell your friend, please bring me my bag here. So the word here tells you that it is adverb of place. And in the second one, God is everywhere. The word everywhere becomes your adverb of place, because you cannot define a particular place. We cannot say that God is only there in the temples, in the church, or in the mosque and other such places of worship. But technically, if you try to think about God, remember God wholeheartedly, you will feel His presence everywhere. The third type is adverb of time. It tells us when an action is taking place. Look at the first image. Trains leave at early intervals. So you must be standing on the station, you're waiting for your train to come, and you're being able to observe multiple trains which are coming to the station at an early interval, right? So the word early over here becomes adverb of time. In the second image, you see a girl. She's really enjoying her evening meal. I don't know, what can I see here? I see an apple, there's a salad, there's a glass of water, and maybe there's some milk or something mixed. I don't know what is there in that. So here we see that the girl is enjoying her evening meal. So the word is I always enjoy my evening meals alone. Now the word always becomes adverb of time in this sentence. Now that looks like a really luxurious AC bus. Let me know, have you ever traveled long distance in these types of buses? I got a chance once to travel in this type of a bus and I really enjoyed the journey. Let me know from where to where had you traveled if you got a chance to travel in a bus like this. So the example goes like, how frequently do buses come? Here the word frequently becomes adverb of time. And in the second one, we of course regularly watch the news anchors giving us news on the television. So what do we see? She regularly appears on television. Here the word regularly becomes adverb of time. The fourth type is adverb of frequency. It tells us how often an action takes place. Look at the first example. Now that food looks really yummy, but I don't know how many of us are actually allowed to eat all this on a regular basis. Therefore, the sentence is there for you because you need to take care of your health as well. I seldom eat fast food. The word seldom means very occasionally, very rarely, not on a regular basis, right? So the word seldom in this sentence becomes adverb of frequency. In the second case, we all have a chance once in the day to sit and enjoy some favorite show with our family, right? So that is why the picture is there and it's describing, the sentence is describing the picture. They often watch television. Now the word often is telling you how often does this action take place. That is why the word often becomes adverb of frequency. Now here the man looks really tired, but probably he is being questioned by someone. Are you always tired in the morning? Because maybe this is like a frequent thing for him that every day when he walks into the office, this is the posture. Imagine on a morning, fresh morning, if a man is walking to the office in this manner, you are bound to question that, are you always tired in the morning? Maybe he's really burdened with work, that is why he's all slouching and tired. So here in this sentence, the word always becomes adverb of frequency. And then you might question your friend sometimes, what do you sometimes dream about? The word sometimes becomes adverb of frequency. Again, you could let me know down in the comment section, what is a recent dream that you remember about? Come on guys, we are almost through with it. Now we are going to do the last and the final type, that is adverb of degree. It tells us how much or to what extent an action takes place. Look at the two boys, they are enjoying themselves, or maybe I think it's a boy and a girl. They are enjoying fishing, but it seems that the boy is nearly going to fall into the river, because if you see the girl, she is seated on a stool and she is fishing, but probably the boy has been able to catch a fish, and because of the weight of the fish, it seems that the boy is nearly going to fall into the river. So here the word nearly becomes adverb of degree. And in the second case, there's a family who's wearing 3D glasses and oh my god, they are enjoying popcorn, and there's another one who's enjoying Coke. Oh god. And then what is the sentence? The 3D movie is quite interesting. That's what they are commenting about as they are watching the movie. So here the word quite becomes adverb of degree. Now before we end this video, we can of course recall whatever we've learned. Now there's a little homework for you. You have to identify the adverbs which are given in the sentences and state their kind. Don't worry, I'm not so, strict with you. I have already helped you a little here as well. In all the 5 sentences, I have already underlined the adverbs for you. Now all you need to do is comment down below the types of adverb in each of the sentences. I hope you all can do this much for me. Come on. And also please subscribe so that I can bring more such interesting videos for you all. So that's it from this video. I hope you liked it. Do hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more such future updates. Thank you for watching. Bye.